Thank you for clicking this video again and give me another chance. Today it's my day off, and since I'm start working in overnights, it's very hard to do something else instead of sleeping the whole day, and yeah, that's it most of the time. So today I thought, like, you know what? I will go out and just have a look, relax a little bit, and yeah, try to improve my filmmaking skills with, yeah, make more videos and pictures. So let's go, I'll show you my backyard. And one thing you really can't see if you just stay in bed, and it always gets me, is like a deer on the balcony. Long story short, I walked around, had fun, took photos, took lots of pictures and videos, had some amazing cup of coffee. So what I want to say is, you don't have to go away to discover new stuff, to see new stuff, or to just relax. The one thing you really have to do, go out of the house and just walk around, have fun, buy another cup of coffee. The next video, I promise, it will be a little bit more further away than just the backyard of my apartment. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and see you the next time.